What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe or you'll get hit by one of these bad drivers. But in this car crash compilation, we're going to be taking a look at the ultimate bad drivers and driving fails of 2020. Stick around till the end to see some of the car crashes that you won't believe. A car like this is no match for a massive truck. This is why you don't speed on ice. When making an illegal turn goes wrong. Cars aren't supposed to be airborne. This car dropped all of its loot. Some people don't realize their car also has a brake pedal, not just gas. This is why you look both ways before crossing. Driving like a maniac on ice doesn't usually end well. This is like something straight out of a movie. There's nothing like running red lights in the middle of an ice storm. This is what happens when you don't stay in your lane. Parking your truck on train tracks? Great idea.
Oh my God! Oh God. Come on. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to help him, but...
Racing the bus didn't go great for this guy. Driving on the shoulder is illegal for a reason. It turns out that stopping in the middle of the road might not be a great idea. At least this idiot only hurt himself. When off-roading goes wrong.
Did I hear someone else in the yard? Ginny asked. Hermione and Kingsley, said Harry. Thank goodness, Ginny whispered. They looked at each other. Harry wanted to hug her.
This dude is getting nowhere fast. When trees attack. I guess they wanted to see which silver minivan was tougher. Why wreck just one car when you can wreck two? Speeding in the rain has consequences. This is an easy way to win a trip to the hospital. If your car turns into a fireball, you probably did something wrong. Maybe try to look where you're going.
Jesus Christ.
Trying to be an amateur stunt driver is a short-lived career. I really recommend just staying on the road like a normal person. This went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Winning New York. You're in a crypt in Italy, and you're looking at some relics, and the eyes literally opened and closed yourself. I'm a 362-year-old dead.
This dude had to channel his inner Usain Bolt to get out of there. These people got double tapped real hard. This is what happens when your tire wants to explore the world by itself. Turning your car into a soda can feels bad. Oh, no more van-on-van violence!
Ну, например, Совет Федерации выступил против проверки Китая и вот.
Some people are so bad, it's actually impressive. These bikers definitely saw their lives flash before their eyes. When driving like you're in the Fast and the Furious movie goes wrong.